Change your life. Watch this video regarding making money online tips and tricks. So many people talk about making money online that it is easy to think it is a scam. However, that's just not the truth. A lot of people make money online, and a lot of people make a lot of money online. If you want to be one of those people, make sure to keep watching for some tips. Sign up to become a mystery shopper. This is a great way to make money as you will have to shop at various places and take notes on your shopping experience. When you are finished, you will have to write up a report on the computer, which you will be compensated for. Get paid to review some of the new products that are out on the market today. This is a great way for companies to determine if their new products are a hit or miss, as they will pay good money to get an opinion on them. Get the word out on these products and pull in the cash. Design unique logos for some of the new startup sites on the web. This is a great way for you to show the talent that you have and also help someone out who is not artistically skilled. Negotiate the price with your client in advance before you provide your service. Start out small when you want to make money online, to minimize potential losses. For example, something that looks promising could turn out to be a bust and you don't want to lose a lot of time or money. Do a single tax, write just one video or order only one item until the site you choose proves to be safe and worthy. After watching the tips above, it should be clear that making money online is something you can do. You just need the right information, and that has been provided in this video. Now that you know what to do, make sure that you start doing it. You can absolutely make money online if you take action. Student loan.